And we've got number 13. So very similar to what we've done previously again. So for A, we've got, again, our x values and our y values. So 3/4 x plus y equals 4. So 3/4 times 3/4 plus 1 equals 4. So we have 9/16 plus 1 equals 4. That is not true. So part A is not a solution to this, does not satisfy the function. So point B, 3/4 times -10 plus y, which is 11, is equal to 4. So this is going to be -30/4 plus 11 equals 4. I can tell you that that's not going to be true, but we'll finish it up anyway. -30/4 is going to be -7.5 plus 11 is equal to 4. That's actually going to be positive 3.5. It's close, but it doesn't work. So nope. B does not satisfy the function. C, we've got 3/4 x plus y equals 4. So 3/4 times 7 plus a -4 equals 4. And so 21/4, it's going to make it a -4 equals 4. 21/4 is 5.25 minus 4 equals 4. And the answer there is no. 1.25 is not equal to 4. So C does not work. Lastly, we've got D. So 3/4 x plus y equals 4. And 3/4 times 2 plus 2.5 equals 4. We'll see if this one works. So 6/4 plus 2.5 equals 4. We're going to have 1.5 plus 2.5 equals 4. And yes, it does. 4 equals 4. So D is the only one that satisfies the function for number 13. Leave that there for a moment before moving on. All right, number 14. For A, we've got y equals 1/7 x plus 21. Again, our x values on the left, y values are on the right. So 21 is equal to 1/7 times 0 plus 21, which makes it 21 is equal to 0 plus 21. 21 equals 21. And so yes, A satisfies the function. B, y equals 1/7 x plus 21. So 21 is equal to 1/7 times 1/7, plus 21. So we got 21 is equal to 1/49 plus 21. And that's not going to be true. So B is not going to be is not going to satisfy this function. So y equals 1/7 x plus 21. We have 23 is equal to 1/7 times 14 plus 21. 23 equals 14/7 plus 21. So 23 is equal to 2 plus 21. Oops, and I made a mistake there. That should say 23 over here on the left, not 22. So 23 is equal to 23. And so yes, C satisfies the function. And lastly, D, we've got y equals 1/7 x plus 21. So y is 1/7 and x is 0, so 1/7 times 0 plus 21. We've got 1/7 is equal to 0 plus 21. And so 1/7 equals 21. The answer there is no. So D does not satisfy the function. Okay, And on to 15. A, we've got y equals 2/3 x plus 3. So negative 1, again, our x values come first, our y values come second. Negative 1 is equal to 2/3 times negative 6 plus 3. Negative 1 equals negative 12 over 3 plus 3. So negative 1 equals negative 4 plus 3. And negative 1 equals negative 1. So yes, A satisfies the function. We'll try B. Y equals 2/3 x plus 3. So 5 is equal to 2/3 times 3 plus 3. 5 equals 6 over 3 plus 3. 5 equals 2 plus 3. And yes, 5 equals 5. So B satisfies the function. Next, we've got C. Y equals 2/3 x plus 3. So we've got a 9 equals 2/3 times 9 plus 3. So 9 equals 18 over 3 plus 3. 9 equals 6 plus 3. And so yes, 9 is equal to 9. And so C does satisfy the function. D. Y equals 2/3 x plus 3. So y is 0. 2/3 x is 3 plus 3. 0 equals 2 times 3 is 6 over 3 plus 3. So 0 is equal to 2 plus 3. The answer here is going to be no, but I'll finish it anyway. 0 equals 5. That's not true. So D does not satisfy the function. I'll pause here, so you can pause if you need to, then I'm going to move on. 16, we have A is 12x plus y equals 10. So x is 0, y is 10. So 12 times 0 plus 10 equals 10. Looks like this one's going to work. So 0 plus 10 equals 10. 10 equals 10. Yep. And for B, 12x plus y equals 10. So x is 12, so 12 times 12 plus 1 equals 10. We have 144 plus 1 equals 10. The answer to this one's going to be no. 145 is not equal to 10. C. 12x plus y equals 10. So 12 times negative 14 plus 2 equals 10. And so I don't even know what 12 times negative 14 is. Let's take a look. It's going to be negative. $168. So negative 168 plus 2 equals 10. The answer here is going to be no. Negative 166 is not equal to 10. So C does not satisfy the function. And then lastly, for this problem, D, 12x plus y equals 10. 12 times 1 plus a negative 2 equals 10. So 12 times 1 is 12. That plus and minus is going to make a minus. 2 equals 10. And yes, 12 minus 2 is 10, and 10 is equal to 10. So D does satisfy the function. So our answer for this one, I forgot to circle A, is both A and D. I'll leave here so you can pause if you need to. Moving on. For 17, we have first equation is going to be 3x minus 2y equals 16. So 3 times 0 minus 2 times 80 equals 16. And 0 minus 160 equals 16. The answer is no. Negative 160 is not equal to 16. For B, 3x minus 2y equals 16. And again, our x is on the left, b is on the right. So A was no. B, we've got 3 times 14 minus 2 times 10 equals 16. So 42 minus 20 equals 16. And the answer is no. 22 is not equal to 16. So B does not work either. C, we've got 3x minus 2y is equal to 16. So 3 times 8 minus 2 times 4 equals 16. So 24 minus 8 equals 16. And yes, this one's going to work. 16 is equal to 16. So C does satisfy the function. And then lastly, D, we've got 3x minus 2y equals 16. 3 times negative 7 minus 2 times negative 2.5 equals 16. So we've got negative 21 plus 5 equals 16. And so no, negative 16 is not equal to 16. So D does not satisfy the function either. Looks like C is the only one that does for number 17. So here again, x's are on the left, y's are on the right. For A, 9x minus 7y equals negative 7. So 9 times negative 7 minus 7 times negative 8 equals negative 7. Let's try it. We've got negative 63. Those two negatives are going to make a positive, so plus 56 equals negative 7. It looks like yes, negative 7 is equal to negative 7, so A satisfies the function. For B, 9x minus 7y equals negative 7. So we're going to have 9 times 7 minus 7 times 10 equals negative 7. We'll see if this one works. So 63 minus 70 equals negative 7. And yes, we end up with negative 7 equals negative 7. For C, 9x minus 7y equals negative 7. So 9 times 0 minus 7 times 1 equals negative 7. So 0 minus 7 equals negative 7. And yes, negative 7 equals negative 7. Lastly, D, 9x minus 7y equals negative 7. So 9 times negative 5 minus 7 times 7 equals negative 7. So negative 45 minus 63 equals negative 7, and we get negative 108 equals negative 7. So no, D does not satisfy the function. With that, that's it for 13 through 18. I hope this is helpful.